What if you have been asked to turn on the conveyor motor every time when a part arrives? And turn it off once the box reached the end of the conveyor. What if you have been asked to do this for an entire day? You could try doing this. But what if the number of conveyor is increased? You can run between the conveyors every time when the part arrives. And moreover, it causes loss too, as it takes more waiting time. What if someone do this job perfectly for you? You are happy, right? In this video, we are going to learn about a most important device that laid the foundation stone for the birth of automation. Welcome to Mr. Smart. Serving knowledge to make you smart. Have you ever seen this device on your machine's control panel? These are called as an electromechanical relays, or generally referred as a relay. An electromechanical relay is an electronic switching device that uses movable mechanical parts for switching the electric supply on or off. Typically, an electromechanical relay has three main parts: a coil, an armature, and contacts. An coil is the electronic controlling part of an relay. Generally, the coils are made up of copper and winded over an iron yoke. When an electric supply is given to the coil, it develops electromagnetic field that produces the force for armature actuation. To learn more about electromagnetism, watch our previous video. Link is in description. An armature is the movable mechanical part that moves the contacts to open or close. They are provided with spring tension on initial state to avoid wrong contact closing. Hence, the normally open contacts remains opened until the coil is energized. The contacts are the output parts of the relay. This is where the output that need to be switched is actually connected. When a pair of contacts is available, one of them will be a movable contact, which will be actuated by the armature. Another remain as fixed contact. In many cases, these contacts will be two fixed contacts and one movable contact in order to make NO and NC connections. To learn more about NO and NC connections, watch our previous video. Link is in description. These parts are assembled together in a case, which forms the outer body of a relay. When an electric supply is given to coil terminals, and magnetic field is induced, this electromagnetic force attracts the metallic armature, making it actuating the movable contact. This movable contact now closes the connection which was normally open and allows the current to flow through the load. This is how a relay works. The electromechanical relay is always mounted over a relay base, having terminals numbered corresponding to the relay terminals. The connection diagram to wire the relay base is usually given over the relay case. When a relay is wired for automated switching applications like turning on the conveyor motor when part arrives, the input supply to the relay coil is given through a sensor and the contact terminals are connected to our output device. When the sensor senses the part, it energizes the relay coil. When the coil is energized, the contacts will be closed and motor will turn on. Whenever the part arrives, the motor will automatically turn on, and when there is no part, it will be turned off automatically. Hope you have learned what is an electromechanical relay and how it works. If you love the content, like the video, subscribe and click bell button to get instant updates. Thanks for watching.